What is up, everybody? I'm back again showing you another amazing model home. This time we are in Chandler, Arizona at the Bellaza II neighborhood by Taylor Morrison. And this sweet, succulent, beautiful house right here, it's a 3330 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom plus a bonus room, and it is just beautiful. It is just sweet, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's take a look right now. All right, there you have it, another amazing Taylor Morrison home. Yeah, my favorite part was the openness of that kitchen. Yeah, and my favorite was the huge walk-in shower and those coffered ceilings. Yeah, let us know in the comments what your favorite part was. Yeah, we would totally love that. Remember to like this video on Facebook. And also remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And always remember that we deal real estate, but helping people is our business.